My name is Yuri Williams, and I'm the founder of the nonprofit of Future Superhero and Friends. The event we're hosting today is for veterans, the veterans that are out here houseless outside of the VA in Westwood. This event I felt that was needed because these veterans have put their life on the line for us, and today I wanted to honor them by providing facials, haircuts, pillows, hygiene, a catered meal, and much, much more. The organization was built just to inspire people and uplift people, and a future superhero is anyone that wants to be inspired and be kind and do kind acts. So I came up with the name of Future Superhero because when I'm no longer here, another future superhero will be born. I feel that there's a black eye on the homeless community. There are a lot of people who are homeless that were doctors, attorneys, veterans, teachers, you name it. And a lot of people will put a black eye on them and say that they're drug addicts and alcoholics, and that's not the case, you know. And there are a lot of people who are a paycheck away and could possibly become homeless as well. People are coming out to help the community, but since COVID has hit, a lot of nonprofits have not been out to help the community. So I feel that my nonprofit is needed to continue to uplift these people and let them know there are people that care.
He takes initiative, you know? He doesn't sit around. He, even if it has to come out of his own pocket, even if he doesn't have any donations, any help, does it anyways.
My biggest motivation, even though she's not here, is my mom. A lot of people are proud of me. Where I come from, you know, a lot of people didn't make it to C18. I'm 44 years old, and, you know, I just want to prove to these children that, you know, negativity is not the way, and being kind and being positive and uplifting others, the karma will come back to you.
I am always so impressed and so pleased and so appreciative that he has done so much work and so much good.
It's a great honor to know Yuri and to know all the things that he does for the community and for our veterans, and just to be able to, you know, be part of what he does, help out. It's an amazing feeling.
It's just, I think it's God watching us. Our generator blew out, and I got a call, and she told me that I was nominated as a Honda Hero, and I don't know who did it, but thank you. And that generator is much needed because the art program that we run, we use that and allow children to press their own T-shirts and canvas bags and stuff of that nature.
I'm not surprised at all. I really believe he deserves it. He definitely needs the help, definitely needs the recognition, so I'm proud of him.
No, I'm not surprised at all. He's awesome. He does so much for the community, and it doesn't surprise me.
Honda Heroes really helped me, and I'm sure they're helping other people that are in need of equipment and donations to keep their legacy or projects going. You know, a lot of people use electricity, such as like I need to run our program. So Help for Honda is doing the right thing by helping those that need it.